Look at this, and I mean rarely seen. It's the first one we've had here. We've had many Range Rovers, the brand new models. The Deep Garnet leather interior with the extended roof lining in the same Deep Garnet. It is such a beautiful, rich, dark red against the Santorini Black. On this new model car, it looks mega, it looks fabulous. Just look at the selection of cars that we've got. I mean, we are getting the best stock. I mean the best stock. Stock that you can't get hold of. I've got Range Rovers 4.4 first edition petrols, V8 engines, D300s, D350s. I've got last of the old models in different specifications. We are getting the best. A lot of these are 72 registrations, 22 registrations with very little miles on. We buy the best cars with the best specifications, but remember we use live pricing. So all the pricing of our cars are less than anybody else's. But we don't lose out in quality, and that's what makes it special. Now look at this particular car, it's absolutely brilliant. Now this is a D350 Diesel, which is a 3-litre diesel, 350 brake horsepower SE with a bundle of extras. First of all, the 23-inch upgraded high gloss black wheels, which look stunning, suit the car very, very well. The leather we've mentioned already. This car's then got the tilt and sliding panoramic glass roof, another extra. But then this has the 24-way electric adjusted seats, heated seats, ventilated seats, and massaging seats, which are brilliant as well. You've then got things like 360 camera system. The specification as standard goes on and on. For me, it's the way the car looks, the way it drives. They're a very special car, nothing like the old model. The new engines are a lot quieter, they're a lot smoother, zero turbo lag, great miles per gallon, and it goes. This one being a 72 registration with 2,000 miles on, just arrived, going live, isn't going to hang around because of the specification, because of the colour combination. I genuinely haven't seen another Deep Garnet leather interior like this one's got. Let's talk about the car. If you're watching our videos, you'll know by now what the new model Range Rover gives you. The car's a 72 registration with 2,000 miles on, so the condition on the wheels, the bumpers, the bodywork, the interior is exactly as you'd expect it to be. What you're getting though, you're getting the new design on the new headlights, the new grille, the LED headlights, the daytime running lights. The new model Range Rovers give you the 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and the car pretty much drives itself. As long as you hold the steering wheel every few seconds, let the car know that you haven't fell asleep, you're good. Going back to the wheels, one of the best wheels you can get on any Range Rover, the 23-inch wheels look superb. You've got air suspension. This one then has the fixed Range Rover side steps and mud flaps front and rear. Everything is colour coded. The new design Range Rovers come with the flush deployable electric door handles with comfort access. The flush door handles look really cool alongside that curving edge here there. But then the comfort access means you can walk up to the car, it unlocks. As you walk away, you press that button and it locks for you. But then you've got things like soft closed doors. Now that's standard. A great feature. Sometimes we'll look at things and completely disregard it, but the soft closed doors means you don't need to slam the doors. Let it click and it'll just close itself. Beautiful. As for the interior, well, you don't need to say too much because I think it sells itself. The colour, the quality, the luxurious of all the materials that's been used. Them seats are nice and comfortable, but it's nice and big. Touchscreen media system, the new short shift gear stick there. You've got the captain seat with the armrest, which is fully sort of adjustable, ambient lighting pack. You've then got things like the Meridian sound system. As I said before, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, everything. Love the extended leather on the door cards, and I love the metallic finish around the vehicle because it isn't just cheap metallic, it's good quality. You know, as soon as you touch something, you think, that feels good. Your rear seat passengers get the same treatment. They get the third zone climate controlled, electric reclining seats, and then they have things like ISOFIX. They have 3-point seat belts, the centre armrest comes down. Look at this neat little feature. Let me get back in here. Especially at night. How many times have you spent 3 minutes trying to find the seatbelt buckle where it clicks into? Well, this lights up, illuminates. And that's for all the buckles and holders, which is great. Round the back, you've got the LED style rear lighting system, but this is a whole new vibe on the new Range Rovers. I love the elongated lighting system. It pulsates as it comes on and off, and the indicators are hidden behind this black panel as well. You've then got your signature moves like your split tailgate, which is very usable because how many times will you go and watch your kids play football or do something? And I use it all the time to watch football or whatever it is, and you can take the weight, no problem. Massive boot. Going to buy a car like this, you want it to have a boot space, so you can go shopping, so you can go away for the weekend, put the kids' pushchairs in there, or bikes, whatever he's going to use it for, you can do it. Perfect. Underneath here, we have cubbyhole foam kit. Seats go down 40, 40, 20. Press the button there, or on the key, and it closes up. The finish round the back is just beautiful. Finished off so well, with the nice curves, all colour-coded, painted. Previously, it wasn't like that. It was plasticky or a bit moulded. But this one is really genuinely finished off to a very high level. Everything's flush over here as well, so when you're opening with the handles there, the leather, as I've mentioned many times, paddle shift, heated steering wheel, there's adaptive cruise control, voice control, full digital dash there with a navigation. You can configure that and change it around depending what settings you want. The 360 camera system can't really get any clearer. It's so easy. What angle do you want to see? Side, back, corner, front, you decide. You've also got the off-road camera system as well, so if you are going to go off-road a little bit, you can pretty much drive it as if you're looking through the bonnet. Nice little feature. Different drive terrains down here. Your heated seats and your ventilated seats are there. All the different settings for the vehicle, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's all there as well. Different suspension heights, you've got ride height, you've got access height, off-road height, etc. It's just fabulous. Centre armrest comes with more cubbyhole space down there. Twin cup holders with more cubbyhole space and USB and USB-C through here. And you have more cubbyhole space there with the wireless phone charger. This D350 in the Santorini Black with a deep garnet interior, 23-inch wheels, tilted sliding panoramic roof, the upgraded seats with the ventilated seats and the massaging seats really is a special car. About to go live now and it isn't going to hang around forever. So if you like what you see, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.